Hi, my name is Jamie with L.E.W. Here with my father, Les Woodring. We're a family-owned and operated business for the last 15 plus years, specializing in aquatic services. We get a lot of phone calls from customers in regards to the lakes and ponds. What are some of the problems that you run across?
Well, that's a really good question, because we do get phone calls all the time from all over the state, and unfortunately people want us to think that they want a quick solution and the cheapest one that they can provide. So they think we can go on Google Earth and zoom in, and we do that. You know, especially if they're far away, we'll see what we can do and try to offer them something over the phone. But we'd like to have that hands-on, right? We'd like to have that personal contact with that customer, a one-on-one with them, because some of these lakes have absolutely been neglected for years. And then,
what are some signs of neglect?
That's all the aquatic vegetation that's there. You know, the weeds, the muck that's in the pond and everything. And people think that it's really easy to remove this vegetation. And for the most part, it's easy, but there's a lot of it that they don't see underwater. They see all the stuff above the water, but they don't realize there's 3 or 4 times more that's vegetation under the water.
When you come across an overgrown lake, what are some of the services that you provide to remove the vegetation?
Well, again, in the beginning, like I said, every lake is different. It all depends on what type of equipment I can get back there. Of course, we have the LEW boat. A lot of people have those, and they are a good instrument. There's times we have to utilize a long reach track hoe or a backhoe of any, depending again on the size and the accessibility to every lake. You know, there's a lot of lakes in these homeowners places that there's no way that you're going to get in there with a long reach track hoe or a backhoe. We'll be lucky if we can get in there with a LEW boat. And once we remove all the vegetation to keep it from coming back, that's another thing. Then you have the muck that's on the bottom. In these small freshwater lakes, it's nearly impossible to dredge it out without draining the lake and killing everything in there. That's why Scott's Aerator, we get our what they call muck pellets from them. You can put that in the lake and you treat it maybe twice a year, and you just throw them in there just like pellets, and it'll dissolve the muck. Again, that'll help with the water clarity and getting rid of all the negative stuff that's underwater.